How to use the simulator. With BlackArrow, you don't need to risk your money to practice. With the simulator account, you can test strategies using real-time market data. I'll show you how to do it step by step. To start things off, open chart trading by clicking on the arrow in the right corner of the platform. Then select your simulator account, which is already available on BlackArrow. Now, simply choose an asset and start placing orders in real time. Everything will work exactly as if you were trading with real money, but without any financial risk. You can check a detailed report of your results in the simulator account by accessing the trade menu and selecting Performance Profile. Additionally, BlackArrow allows you to trade in a past session as if it were happening in real time. Just go to the Tools menu and select Replay. From there, choose the session you want to replay and trade as if it were live. And that's how easy it is to use the simulator on BlackArrow. See you in the next video.